Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So as you can see, today I am going to show how to make this beautiful little flower motifs. As you can see, you can make this flower patches for anything, for your headbands, for your pouches, for your mobile cases, for decorations. Even we can add strings here and put it for Christmas decorations also. So without further delay, let's start the video. Before that, don't forget to like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. I'll just keep this here. For that, I'm going to use a size of 1.75 mm, as you can see, and I'm using some cotton thread, and that's it. So what we have to do first, we have to make a slip stitch, and then we are going to make a chain of 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Then what we'll do, we'll put it in the first stitch and join it with the help of slip stitch. So now what we are going to do, next round we are going to make chain of 3 as a first double crochet, and then we are going to make chain 1 as a chain 1 space. So together we are going to work 11 more double crochet with chain 1 spaces. So including this, we'll have 12 double crochets. So let's start. This one, chain 1, next double crochet, chain 1, next double crochet, chain 1, next double crochet, chain 1, the next double crochet, chain 1, 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 and next double crochet. Once again we'll count it, just forgot the counts. So here it is, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So exactly 12 we are having, including all. So we'll put chain 1, and in the third chain, 1 2 3, third chain, at the top of the third chain we will join it with the help of a slip stitch. Now what we are going to do, now we will just put a chain 1 space. After that, in the next one chain 1 space, we are going to make single crochet. We'll just put the hook in the 1 chain space, pull the yarn out, and then again pull, roll the yarn over your hook, and then pull it from the 2 loops. So this is our first single crochet. Same way, we'll put the we'll put the hook in the chain 1 space, pull the yarn out, so we'll have 2 loops. Then we'll put the thread over our hook, and from these 2 loops we will pull the yarn out. Then for the slip stitch, over the double crochet itself we will do a slip stitch. Now what we have to do, in the first double crochet we are going to make chain of 10. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9 and 10. So you see, and then in the same stitch we will put a slip stitch. So this is our first loop for our petal is ready. So now same in the next chain 1 space we will make 2 single crochet, and in the double crochet we will make a slip stitch. Then in the next chain space again we will make 2 single crochet, and in the chain space in the double crochet we will make a slip stitch. So leaving 1 double crochet we will have to make chain of 10. So next chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So again we will join it in the same stitch with the help of a slip stitch. So in the next chain again we are going to put 2 single crochet, and in the double crochet we are going to put a slip stitch. Then on the next 2 chain space we are going to have again we are going to have 2 single crochet, and over the double crochet we'll have a slip stitch. And again we'll make chain of 10. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this again we are going to add in here with the slip stitch. Same in the next again we are going to make 2 single crochet, then in the hook space we are going to in the double crochet we are going to make a slip stitch. Again on the chain space 2 single crochet, then on the next double crochet over the hook we are going to make a slip stitch and chain of 10. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this we are again going to join it here. We will join it here. Then again in the next chain space 2 single crochet, then in the hook we are going to make a single crochet slip stitch, and again on the chain space again on the chain space we are going to make 2 single crochet, and in the double crochet stitch we are going to make a slip stitch, again chain of 10. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and this we are going to join in the slip stitch. Then again on the chain space we are going to make 2 single crochet and 1 slip stitch. Then on the next chain again we are going to make 2 single crochet, and we will join it with the slip stitch. Then we are going to make chain of 10. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9 and 10, and then we are going to put it back with a slip stitch, and then again slip stitch, sorry, 2 single crochet we are going to make. And what we are going to do, what the chain space one what we have made, we will join here with a slip stitch. So you can see the base for our all the 6 petals is ready now. So next what we will do, so what is the next thing we are going to do, we are going to make 10 double crochet first in the each petal base. So we'll work double crochet, just we'll roll the yarn, then put the hook in the loop, again pull the thread out, then again we'll take the yarn in the thread and pull it from the 2 loop, then again we'll put the thread in our hook and again we'll pass it from the 2 loop. So this is the double crochet. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it's the last, 10. Now what we are going to do, we'll make here chain of 3, then again same we will make 10 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So what we are going to do here, you can see the single crochet is what we have made. So in the third single crochet, 1, 2, 3, third single crochet, we will join this with the help of a slip stitch. So as you all can see, our very first petal is ready now. So this is how it's going to look, the first petal. So now what we'll do, we'll just turn this, we'll hold the second chain, and the same process what we have done, we'll make again 10 double crochet from the same starting. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we have completed 10. Again chain of 3. So again we have to do the same 10 double crochet and join it here in the third single crochet. Then again for the next loop, again we are going to make 10 double crochet, then chain of 3, then 10 double crochet, then we'll join it in the third single crochet. So it's the same thing all the way around we have to do. So I will meet you at the last ring. So friends, as you can see, we have reached nearly about our last petal. We had made all. So this again we are going to join in the third single crochet, and then same we are going to work in the last loop. So it's 10 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now chain of 3. Then again what we are going to do on the next side of the loop, again we are going to make 10 double crochet. So it's 1, 2. So actually I have a big tree nearby me, so morning time you can hear a noise of lots of birds, especially crows. So enjoy the nature. So let's continue with our double crochet. You can see how they are chirping, the birds. That's one of the best thing I like about this house. So as you can see, I have almost done. I'll just count a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we will join it over the single crochet. And what I do actually, it makes me feel good, like a tight stitch. After that I put chain 1 space and then I cut the thread here, and from the loop I pull the thread out and fasten it. So you can see our very easy and very nice flower motif is ready. So you can see we have many. I have made so many. So most probably let me know if you want to see how to join these flower motifs in the next video. I'll really try to make a video to how to join this flower motif. Till then, thank you to all of you who watched my video. Bye bye.